Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox this package that I ordered from Joann. All of these items are yarns and this is not sponsored. I bought this from my hard-earned money. Each yarns that I bought was discounted that time. I have here 4 pieces of Caron Simply Soft Yarn. The regular price of each yarn is $5.49 and the discounted price was $2.99. This yarn is 100% acrylic yarn and 170 grams. This yarn is really soft and the color of this yarn is dark sage. Next, this one is Kelly Green. This is lighter than dark sage. Next, it looks like light brown and the name is Bone. And lastly, this coral pink named Strawberry. And now let's proceed to Lion brand 24/7 cotton yarn. I have here 4 pieces and the regular price for each yarn is $6.49 and the discounted price was $3.65. This yarn is 100% cotton and the weight category is 4 and it is 3.5 ounce. Let's start with this pink lemonade yarn. Next, purple. Next, mint. And lastly, bay leaf. This yarn is baby blue. Next, baby pink. Next, purple. Next, lemonade. Next, I have here Big Twist Value Yarn. The regular price is $4.49 and the discounted price is $2.99. This is 100% acrylic yarn and 170 grams. This one is cosmetic pink. And this one is light green. Next, I have here Big Twist anti-peeling yarns. This is 100% acrylic and 110 grams. The regular price is $6.49 and the discounted price is $2.24 each. This yarn is really red. This one is twilight blue. Next, soft peach. Next, sage green. Next, sunshine. And lastly, Kelly green. This is it, guys. I believe they have another sale this coming Black Friday, so check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell and the like button. Thank you and goodbye. See you on my next video.